From above, we see vast rows of greenhouses, inside which plants are thriving. The scene unfolds like a world of lush life. Coming closer, vibrant basil plants appear, carefully nurtured in hydroponic trays. Neat rows of lettuce stretch endlessly in the greenhouse, creating a peaceful and vibrant atmosphere. Workers are carefully harvesting each basil plant, every action deliberate and professional. A seed planting robot operates precisely, placing each seedling into the hydroponic trays, ensuring perfect growth. Workers collaborate to plant new seedlings, starting a journey of lush growth inside the greenhouse. The greenhouse is neatly arranged with hydroponic trays floating on water tanks, creating an ideal environment for crops. Rows of hydroponic lettuce are aligned in order, growing in a safe and nutrient-rich environment. A palette of colors from different types of lettuce creates a vibrant natural painting inside the greenhouse. Workers diligently harvest the lettuce, each plant gently lifted from the trays with care and skill. We get a closer look at the lush lettuce rows, each carefully tended to. A peaceful greenhouse scene with hydroponic trays floating above water tanks, where plants thrive. A worker carefully inspects each small plant tray, ensuring each seedling receives the best care. At the packing stage, workers carefully weigh the lettuce and pack it into clean plastic boxes, ready to be delivered to consumers. Plastic boxes of fresh lettuce are neatly arranged in crates, prepared for the journey to stores. The crates are transported out of the cold storage, keeping the lettuce fresh until it reaches the customers. Young green lettuce continues to grow, full of vitality, inside the greenhouse. Pink grow lights illuminate, providing special energy to help the plants grow better. A forklift carries crates of goods, ready for wide distribution. A robot arranges the seedling pallets neatly, maximizing space utilization. The robot carefully places the seedlings onto the trays, starting a new growth cycle. Multicolored rows of lettuce stand out in the greenhouse, creating an artistic scene. The pallets are stacked neatly in cold storage, ready for distribution. Under the soft pink light, the rows of lettuce in the greenhouse look like a magical garden. Each tray of plants is clearly labeled, ensuring easy and accurate tracking. A pump operates rhythmically, providing a continuous water supply for the plants. The robot gently moves the seedlings, creating perfect harmony in the greenhouse. Warm pink light shines, helping the fresh green lettuce grow vigorously. The greenhouse from a distance looks like a magical world, with bright pink light enveloping it. A large greenhouse glowing under pink light celebrates the wonders of agricultural technology. Fresh lettuce leaves glide on the conveyor belt, carefully packed and ready for their new journey. In the greenhouse, rows of lettuce are neatly arranged with vibrant colors like a lively natural painting. A closer look reveals the beauty of the healthy, juicy, and lush lettuce rows. A vast greenhouse where each row of lettuce is nurtured in an ideal environment. The diligent hands of workers are harvesting lettuce, each leaf gently cared for. The pink grow lights hang gently, casting soft light that helps the plants grow evenly. The soft pink light covers each leaf, creating an atmosphere full of energy. Rows of lettuce glow under the pink lights, as if basking in the light of a gentle sun. We move closer to feel the growth of each lettuce under the lights. Fresh lettuce glides on the conveyor belt, ready to be packed and distributed. Once again, we see close-ups of the lush, vibrant lettuce rows, full of life. On the conveyor belt, each lettuce plant is carefully tended to before reaching the consumer. Workers diligently harvest each lettuce plant from the conveyor, every step meticulous. Hydroponic lettuce plants are gently lifted on trays, absorbing nutrients from the clean water. The greenhouse is bathed in soft pink light, transforming it into a garden full of energy. Pink light shines down like a magical glow over each row of plants. Before us, the large greenhouse appears with rows of fresh, green lettuce. A machine transfers seedlings from one tray to another, the process smooth and swift. The greenhouse, with rows of lush hydroponic lettuce, creates a stunning natural landscape. The machine operates rhythmically, moving each lettuce plant into perfect care positions. A computer screen monitors and records every change in the greenhouse conditions. In another corner, workers are packing lettuce into bags, ensuring freshness for consumers. Modern machines sow seeds into trays, marking the start of a new cycle for future crops. Water flows steadily through small tubes, providing precious nutrients to the plants. Machines process the seedling trays, an important step in the plant growth.